Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a beautiful chocolate bouquet. First, let's gather our essential materials. You'll need an assortment of delicious chocolates, wooden skewers, and a sturdy container like a small pot or basket. Don't forget floral foam, cellophane, floral tape, and some lovely ribbon to add those finishing touches. Having everything ready makes the crafting process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's prepare our chocolates for arrangement. Take each chocolate and carefully attach it to a wooden skewer. Use floral tape, wrapping it firmly around the base of the chocolate and the skewer. This ensures a secure hold. For bigger chocolates, consider using 2 skewers side by side to provide extra support and prevent any wobbling in your final design. This step is crucial for a stable bouquet. With your chocolates prepared, it's time to arrange them into a stunning bouquet. Begin by placing the floral foam firmly into your container. Then, start inserting the chocolate skewers into the foam. A good technique is to place your tallest chocolates in the center, gradually adding shorter ones around them. Aim for a balanced and full appearance, rotating your container as you go to ensure an even distribution of chocolates. To complete your beautiful chocolate bouquet, let's add some finishing touches. Carefully wrap the entire arrangement in clear cellophane. This not only protects the chocolates, but also gives it a professional, polished look. Secure the cellophane with a lovely ribbon tied in a bow around the base. You can also add small decorative elements, like a few artificial leaves or a tiny bow, to enhance its charm. Your delightful gift is now ready.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.